New kids on the block. Discover the underdogs of the arms industry. The arms trade is experiencing a seismic shift, with unexpected nations emerging as leaders in the industry, challenging long-standing giants. Discussions between North Korean leader Kim Jong-un and Russian President Vladimir Putin highlighted these shifts, indicating a changing landscape in global arms dealing. Historically, the US, Russia, China, France, and Germany have led the arms market. However, nations like South Korea and Turkey are now significantly challenging this dominance. South Korea, with its advanced weaponry and strategic alliances, is aiming to be the fourth-largest arms exporter by 2027. Turkey is also expanding its presence in the global arms market, overcoming challenges and sanctions to become a major player in the defense industry. Both countries offer high-quality, competitively priced products and have established themselves as reliable alternatives to traditional suppliers. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has also catalyzed changes in the industry, with countries preferring newer arms dealers over Russia due to its geopolitical isolation and strained resources. China, despite its efforts, is facing challenges from dissatisfied customers, impacting its position in the global arms market. While South Korea and Turkey have efficiently leveraged their capabilities and alliances, India has struggled to make a mark in the arms export sector. The struggles of established players like Russia and China and the rise of new leaders signify a reshaped global arms landscape, with more nations striving for a piece of the lucrative arms market. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.